If building personal brand is important to you, this video is for you. I know so many people out there are thinking, I need to build personal brand. I want to be recognized as a thought leader in my space. However, they're paralyzed. Why? Because their mind is playing games with them. I want to share with you a simple mental model that you can install and it will move you in the right direction. The quote by a writer called George Eliot: "The important work of moving the world forward does not wait to be done by perfect men." The important work of moving the world forward does not wait to be done by perfect men. What does that mean? The important work is your purpose. What is your purpose? Your purpose is what you choose and what you decide to do with your life. What is your vision? Your vision is how you see that variation of future self leaving your purpose. If you think about the purpose deeply, you will understand that it cannot live, it cannot exist in isolation. Your purpose can only be within the context of other people. Your purpose is always some kind of form of service to others. And that's what's interesting. Because if you are so focused on yourself, my fears, my insecurities, my anxieties, what if you're internally focused? If you're focused on the problem, you're externally focused. You live in the world, you execute, you're trying to make it happen. And why is it you that needs to make this happen? Because no one cares about it more than you. The important work of moving the world forward does not wait to be done by perfect men. You know what's funny? George Eliot was a pseudonym. It was a pen name by a writer, a woman writer, whose name was Marianne Levins. She was not a perfect man. You don't need to be a perfect human to contribute to the meaningful work of helping others.